Yo guys, what's up? Hey, you want to connect? Then
What, mine? The Bluetooth?
yeah, connect कर ले.
मेरा?
Auto 12.
तेरा कार में Bluetooth है?
हाँ.
ये वाला?
Yeah.
Bluetooth is actually really good.
Bro,
I would rather buy a basic car, basic version, and I'll put this. हो गया.
हाँ.
Bluetooth है, AC है, सब है.
Who cares about Apple or CarPlay, bro?
I mean, like now it's inbuilt, no?
Yeah, but
See, in my car, the one which
Seltos.
Seltos, हाँ, उसमें है ना?
हाँ नहीं, but I don't find the benefit of the
CarPlay.
Yeah.
I mean, rather than you looking at your phone for your
Yeah.
maps,
Yeah,
Use
I
CarPlay.
get that, but I know.
and you can see who's messaging you. It's only WhatsApp and the SMS.
Okay.
Instagram and all obviously you don't need.
Insta will you like
No, it's
reels.
It's 99% people use it for maps only. At least for me, I have to put USB and then it connects. For you guys, it's direct CarPlay. For me, I don't have to use it.
Why?
I mean, it's not direct. I need to put USB cable with what fast cable and the USB port, whatever is in the car, and then only the CarPlay
Activates.
Yeah.
Put it there.
So yeah. Oh, YouTube. Huh? Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome to Drive Talks.
Yeah. आज हम जा रहे हैं
किधर?
यूसुफ भाई परफ्यूम्स.
Bro, we'll go.
No, bro. What the fuck?
We'll buy.
I'm not gonna buy attar. Not gonna buy attar.
Bro, it's not attar, bro. It's really good. I have my friend has one. I smelled it. It was
Attar only.
if you say oud and all, those are attar, bro.
What's your car? This thing Niska. Auto 12.
Auto 12.
हो गया? चा. थूक दे. So what do you guys usually do when you with your
Nothing.
friends or something? Just
Bakchadi, yeah, just bitching
Nice.
about other people. Yesterday.
What, you put that in YouTube? Yeah, I'm not bitching about anyone. If it's off camera, I'll bitch. On camera, I'm not bitching.
As if you think my vlogs anybody's watching. I am only creating views, man.
How? Oh, but you. But
It is not one count.
Oh, you have multiple.
Yeah. No, not multiple. And there is in same Gmail you can create multiple क्या बोलते हैं, channels. So
now see, I'll tell you. Wait. So now I have a YouTube account. So I can. So technically, this is a channel.
Yeah, this is a channel.
Channel only, no?
Yeah.
So I can start uploading
Yeah.
videos. Acha. Oh, nice. Wow.
So that is your channel with your name. Normal. जैसे तेरा what is your Gmail? What उससे तेरा वो रहेगा name.
अच्छा जो देखना पड़ेगा. आदित्य वर्धन.
So that is your channel name. Now, if you want to create one more channel name, you have to go settings and you can.
Aditya reacts. What are you reacting? Dehati Daddy.
Yesterday we were playing Smash and Pass, bro.
What, with the vlog?
Yeah.
And who did you smash? Everyone.
Nah. We were Smash and Pass, but after that everyone was smashable only, so we were rating them.
What?
So there's a friend Tanisha karke. So she went to IIT Guwahati. So all hot chicks, hot nerds are there. Fucking.
IIT Guwahati.
Yeah. So hot nerds are there. She was showing her batchmates, seniors and all. That's all.
She's your age or she's younger to you?
She's younger to me.
So 10 hours.
She is in second year. She'll go to second year. Right?
There's a petrol bunk over there, no?
हाँ.
Stop near that. I'm like I'm getting conscious all of a sudden.
Camera conscious.
Yeah,
huh?
I'm not camera conscious because I played in one event where there were full cameras live and everything.
Really?
Yeah, it was some league tournament.
Okay.
So, you can stop it and understand the police.
We are inside the cardio room.
But I get camera conscious. I was working with the physio. So she asked me to send the what is it called? I forgot, bro. Camera conscious. See, they'll think my vocabulary is bad.
I'll keep the caption of this video featuring ITF player grass coach specialist.
Sorry, little from Borabanda Basti.
Wait, this.
Now the word which I wanted to say, what it is? Fuck it. Basically, I have to make a video where I have to tell that I worked with so and so this and this.
Okay.
So I had
introduction
this
video.
Nahi bhai, usko kya?
Biodata.
That's not mine.
Acha.
It's me giving a review, video review.
Oh.
I don't know what's it called. Fuck off.
Video review. Okay.
It's not actually not video review. It's something. Okay, video review. So I need to give video review where I had to say this and this. Bro, I took like 20 takes for a 30-second video. It took me 20 takes. I sent her. She was like, "Can you add this and this?" It took me 20 takes, and it asked me to tell a paragraph. I said I need time, and it's been a month I didn't send her. Like, fuck it. I gave you Google review. I've sent you this stuff. I've sent you my video of playing. What she did was she herself. My video was playing in the background, and I think it's like a green screen where she talks.
Oh, okay.
She kind of reacted in that.
She
know what she added? She was like, I went for a groin issue.
Okay.
She added, this is he's so and so my client. He's a professional tennis player. He's been dealing with lower back and groin. I was like, मैं बुड्ढा थोड़ी हूँ lower back आएगा. I don't even lift that heavy deadlift and all. Call करेंगे पृथ्वी.
Nandiyal Prithvi Reddy.
I'm getting conscious here again. I'm just
Should I flip it up?
flip and do that.
No.
Overlaps. Watch time lapse. Sorry. No, I did this video. I'll clip it and put it in the story. Whatever, whichever really. But there are so many things which it's not connecting, bro. This is not.
No. Volume कम था.
I swear. Bro, once he catches metro, he can come off. Let's wait for this. Where are we going?
Check places.
I said no ratio. Oh, Kunafa. What is it?
Ratio and Katha.
Katha?
KTH. This is Katha is here only.
Kathal. Katha. Okay, Katha Coffee and Bake House.
Yeah.
It's in Banjara Hills.
Yeah. Where do you wanna go?
What? Not Banjara Hills, baddie. I wanna go Jubilee.
So Jubilee Hills, no?
It's good. It looks good.
Arey, I sent
You
you.
wanna eat anything also?
Nah. मतलब
Obviously we'll eat, bro. Once we go there, we'll eat. It's not. Abhi really? I'm just want to take lemon tea. Later on, I'll see. Like check the menu. I want that grilled fish. I'll just green tea. After going there, I'll order hot chocolate.
Bro, I sent you one post also, no? That.
Hot chocolate, like
Yeah,
top
yeah.
hot. I've seen that post already. I
Achha.
took one of my dates there.
Okay, now today you're taking me there.
Where? Wow, such a sore loser, bro. One of my friend. What was the thing? Post.
Here also, thank God you didn't keep refurbished.
You can put
Yeah.
how?
Nickname.
Where? Oh yeah.
Fuck, I shouldn't have done.
Bro. Your mistake. Yeah. Refurbished Centurion. Yeah, so real. Even pickleball. Who did you go with? Where is this? Pickle out, huh?
No, Don Bosco school.
अच्छा मोती नगर
हाँ.
अभी वो इधर ही जा रहा है वो पक्का I'm telling you going to play pickleball only.
अरे रेन में कैसे?
Not bad bro. अभी क्या है रे पूरा बादल ही चला गया.
उधर वो कोर्ट तो बैठ रहता ना.
हार्ड कोर्ट है ना थोड़ा.
There's
भागता भी नहीं है पिकलबॉल में. या अरे
dumb fuck.
9 1 9 8 6 6
హలో పృథ్వీ
మెట్రో
ఇక్కడే మేము ఉన్నాం రా మీనాక్షి కెఫే అని ఉంటుంది చూడు మన హెచ్పి అక్కడ ఉన్నాం కార్ వేసుకుని
How is it taking so much time?
No, first he was in bus.
Okay.
No, apparently his brother-in-law wanted him to drop at the metro station only. And then it started to rain, no. So that guy was dropping in bike. So Pruthvi was like, it's okay, it's raining, no. You go as early as possible. I'll go by bus.
Okay.
He didn't have this plan, no. By the time I called, he was in bus. I told him, it's going to take you a long time.
Yeah, come on.
Get out of the bus, take a metro and come. To get to the metro station only, but the bus was late. That's why I asked you, we'll start late.
Sorry. Give me Ray, you will again.
I forgot. Where's your...
ऊपर, full ऊपर.
तेरा ये जैकलिन.
That is good, no? That is Houseful 5, bro.
Apparently it has two endings, A, B.
Yeah.
Bro, they know the movie is shit. They know the worst part.
Yeah.
I didn't have time. Otherwise, I would have gone for A and B.
I went first.
A and B.
No, A.
And what was A's ending?
A's ending was that one of the guys was the killer.
Bro, they took down the Funnel Creamery. It's not there. It's like completely demolished. Only the Bentley showroom is there.
Fuck, I never went to Funnel Creamery.
Yeah, boss, it was very good. Shirolto Funnel. It's not there, bro. When was this post?
July 4th.
It's in Begumpet also, no? Begumpet.
Acha. Zuki.
Bro, I like this hot chocolate thing. Croissant.
I don't like this hot chocolate here.
I never been to it. I like this place, bro. Creamery, not the Film Nagar one. The financial district. Consu
is good.
Creamery, see, I told you.
Consu I like for the desserts, man. I know.
You know the most overrated place?
Huh?
Manam chocolate.
I've never been there.
But it's horrible.
Ferranos, if you wanna go to the
Hole
first.
in the Wall is still relevant.
They made a new branch.
They took it down? The one which is fast track.
Yeah.
That was actually a good place.
And now it is near Nero's Emporium.
Here only? I didn't see.
In Nero's Emporium.
Manam. Not so great, bro.
Arey, Ferranos, it's a small cafe if you want to go. The Jubilee Hills one was very big. I didn't like it.
सदुबाटी अबे गाना
Ferranos one, there's a small cafe. It's
वो देख रहा था
small cafe. I really like that place. But the new Jubilee Hills one was very big.
अबे ये पूछ रहा है कि कहाँ जा रहा है
प्लान उसकी प्लान है क्या नंदिनी के साथ?
बेचारा शायद वो कॉलेज में किसी से बात भी नहीं की.
अरे when you see Prithvi, it feels like that he didn't talk to anyone.
He wants to eat spicy food.
Spicy food. Spicy food ante.
We'll ask the chef to put little more mirchi. Or add, like give 2-3 mirchis extra.
Acha, I wanted to ask for Aita.
Registration, it's
Yeah.
4,750.
Yeah. 2 years or 1 year? Because I saw on this.
I just renewed
Acha.
like 2 days ago, 3 days ago.
Acha. Because I saw it was from 1st January to second year's December only.
Then Gawar, calculate kar le.
अभी तो if we start right now.
It's already started, bro.
Yeah.
So it's like 1.5 year you'll get.
Acha, and how many tournaments happen in Hyderabad?
Once a month.
Once a month, because I was seeing calendar.
Bro, at one point it was like 2 tournaments in a month. We never had to travel anywhere only.
Oh, no travel.
Now
See,
it is like very.
I don't want more than one tournament also. Okay, because I was seeing the calendar of Aita. So usme only one tournament was there in Hyderabad for men's. Others was for children under 14, under 12.
They'll add, bro. They'll add.
Acha.
They'll add in between. You need
Okay.
to keep checking the calendar.
Acha, it's not like once a calendar.
No. It's not like ATP. Hello.
Acha.
Hey, even ITF is also not scheduled fixed.
No, I thought mottam fixed.
No. It's only ATP.
Okay, I should buy a camera over here to put this. Not my phone, because I can't use my phone while it's recording.
What do you want to use now?
My phone.
For?
Insta.
You want to go watch that movie, Sayara?
Yeah.
It's like,
People are saying it's like Ashiki 3 kind of thing.
I mean, the trailer cut is similar. You don't know the story.
Yeah.
But I feel it's more like Ashiki mixed with Kabir Singh, Arjun Reddy, similar like that.
Bro, Ashiki 2 was also like that, bro. You remember Aditya Roy Kapoor being like that at the end? He was also Kabir Singh type of guy.
But he's a pussy. I mean, I don't know what people who commit suicide. Ooh, fuck. No wonder. Jhat, Haryana ka. Babbe diyade. Jat don't care.
Bhai, I'm done with Haryanvi, these kind of songs.
Bro, the Dehati baddie you sent, no?
Yeah.
No, Vamsi sent. It's actually very pretty, bro. Wait, I'll show you. He sent you?
Yeah. He sent me. Sorry for inconvenience. What? Hey.
I think the metro. 10 minutes.
Acha, due to maybe
Rain,
water.
That's running no there. Metro.
We'll see.
Call करेंगे.
वाटर लॉगिंग की वजह से भी होता है. వాకింగ్ వచ్చేది.
చెప్పన్నా
ఏంది ఏదో టెక్నికల్ ఇష్యూ అనేది కాలేజ్ వాడు హెచ్ఓడి పంపించాడు నాకు పంపించాడు.
అనౌన్స్మెంట్
ఏంది మెట్రోనా? ఎందుకు ఏమైంది? ట్రాక్ లో వాటర్ వచ్చినాయా? చెప్పరా ఏంది ఏంది ఇక్కడ మా కళ్ళ ముందు మొత్తం మెట్రోలు తిరుగుతున్నాయి కదా ఇక్కడ.
అక్కడ నుంచి వస్తున్నాయి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి
ఇప్పుడు ఆగిపోయిందా మెట్రో? ఎప్పుడంట కదిలేది?
ఇంకేమో వాడేమో చెప్పాడు.
తిన్నాక పని చేయరా నువ్వు.
మరి ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
స్టార్ట్ అయిందా?
हाँ
స్టార్ట్ అయితే వచ్చేస్తాలే.
अरे वेर
బై అమీర్పేట్, మధురా నగర్, యూసఫ్ కూడా.
अमीरपेट क्रॉस नो
అది స్టార్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ అమీర్పేట్.
अच्छा
అమీర్పేట్, మధురా నగర్.
మధ్యలో ఆగిపోయా.
అచ్చా,
अरे
అమీర్పేట్కి మధురా నగర్ మధ్యలో ఆగిపోయావా?
మధురా నగర్ యూసఫ్ కూడా రోడ్ నెంబర్ 5.
మధురా నగర్లో ఉన్నావా?
ఇప్పుడే వచ్చా.
సో అభి యూసఫ్ కూడా ఆయేగా 5 मिनट बस. ये వచ్చే వచ్చే.
ऐसे नहीं रे ऐसे
अबे मैं ये
do it that way bro
what was I showing? Yeah, देहाती. डॉट ये कौन है? इंस्टाग्राम ये
हाँ ऐसे how is she equal to Anna de Maris?
lust.
That fucker has so much lust
But if she gets that makeover, no, bro,
yeah.
she'll be like that.
Miss Biharia
नहीं, वो गांव का लड़की जो महाकुंभ में वो बेच जाता ना, पत्थर कुछ बेच जाता ना, उसको हीरोइन बना दिया अब. You don't know?
what
what's her name? Mona Lisa? I don't know. See, Mona Lisa Mahakumbh.
what
See, yeah. You know how she was? Before, when they discovered her?
okay
Oh, she was literally begging, bro. Just because she has the blue eyes. See, she was like this.
the
She was literally. I mean, she doesn't even look good also. Anyway, so.
for Vamshi that's okay Vamshi anything
Hey, he went to what? Solapur, Marathi.
बोला उसको मराठी नहीं होना
What
I
is
want to see Vamshi's girlfriend bro he told he had three girlfriends before
it? Like to at the time or
No.
once? Not really. Must have.
हाँ
Why
but-
are you, what?
no, इतना ठरक है आदमी में
सिले छोड़ियो. तू बोल रहा है टर्की के बारे में?
I'm very
हाँ, देखा सुबह तेरा स्नैप.
WhatsApp अच्छा
दिखाऊं?
दिखा
एक नहीं, वो 10, 15, 20 है मेरा. कहाँ ऋषि प्रियांश.
for you I send it to only you for winking snap
Wait. What is this, bro? Game, huh?
yeah
Of course you can't.
wait what the fuck only one wing I have where did the other wing go fuck Lol.
This was very good that day.
You wanna go here again works
I don't mind. I'll put this on Instagram soon. I don't know what to say on this. Wow.
it is only a great artist like me can do that.
Not great artist. I'll tell you. Great. Not for the vlog, sorry. YouTube
बैन कर देगा हमें
terms and conditions.
No, actually, these words. No, wait. That
Bro,
word.
obviously it was sensitive, no?
That word will. Yeah.
As if I say fuck.
Fuck will not do it.
Depends, like countries like US and all, they mute it. I don't know if it's because of children watching it or
No,
their
no, I specifically set it that this video is not made for children.
Yeah.
So, curses are no issue. Benchon, motherchod,
तेरी मैगी
हाँ ये सब चलेगा.
अभी कहाँ जा रहा है?
Let Prithvi come first.
Bro,
Huh?
Prithvi is gonna come wherever we take him.
अच्छा.
See, definitely there's gonna be traffic because
Yeah.
it rained also.
Rain stopped. The guy was there. Fuck.
किसको?
Big girl was cute. Big
भाई
guy.
आंटी है रे वो.
No. One went behind. But the guy was there.
It's been 26 minutes. I thought some 2 hours.
Let Prithvi come.
We will make him sit in the center.
Okay, choose one of them. Fuck, you took 2-4-1.
I know. I know.
Chalo, 2-4 then again.
I mean, I don't mind. But
No.
definitely Prithvi will say again there. So yeah, we'll go to a different place. Except 2-fold, also got 2-fold.
Yeah, 2-4.
Except 2-fold, give me a different options. अबे दो ही है दो पता है मतलब ये
अच्छा.
थर्ड वाला भी तो दूसरा
Okay, third वाला भी. Wait, what all places are there? कथा एक था, एक at ratio था.
रेशियो ब्रो telling you the traffic
I
now
know.
is going to be insane in that road.
I know.
I mean 2-4 also, but at least it's in the main road, not
Yeah.
on the.
Yeah. कौन सी? Been there many times. I don't know.
Conscious is like people coming from somewhere, they'll search all those aesthetic videos and everything. Ass videos.
All my two
Okay.
things-
One of my friends, see, they're not so much exposed to this cafes and all. Few people from Vizag.
हाँ.
There are many places. I like Vizag. In fact, the cafes in Vizag, but I don't know what's the fascination about Hyderabad. They're like, oh, Konsu.
Konsu.
Frost. घंटा कुछ है Frost में कुछ भी नहीं है.
But Konsu has great deserts, man.
I'm not denying it.
Yeah.
It's for people who are first time. Okay, we've been to other places like
Yeah.
10 times.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to Konsu. Not like every Sunday Konsu.
Yeah.
There's first option is Konsu. You can't decide any other place. चलो Konsu. It's like क्या खाना है? पता नहीं है. चलो बिरयानी खाएंगे. ला.
Give me your phone. I'll check. कुछ सारे places. Don't worry, I won't check.
Yeah, there's happening, bro.
Go through your
Nice.
messages.
Next. There.
They are the parties.
Bye.
919.
ऋतु अबे पृथ्वी इकडे रा मीनाक्षी అని చెప్పినాగా చెక్ పోస్టా చెక్ పోస్ట్
अरे क्या चूतिया आदमी है.
చెక్ పోస్ట్ దగ్గర ఎక్కడ దిగావు 1570 ముందా
1570 is
1570 ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా అచ్చా ఇక్కడ దిగాడు
अरे
అబ్బే ఇది చెక్ పోస్ట్ ఆరా రెండు
ये अम्मा
చెక్ పోస్ట్ దగ్గరకు వస్తారని మేము చెక్ పోస్ట్ దగ్గర వెళ్తే పరిస్థితి ఏంద్రా
चेक पोस्ट होता था तो घर जाता था उन्हें. चेक पोस्ट చెప్తే నువ్వు ఇంటికే డైరెక్ట్.
फ्रेंड्स ये हमारा दोस्त है
पृथ्वी पृथ्वी రెడ్డి ఫ్రమ్ నంద్యాల్.
ఓకే
చాలా
చాలా అరుదైన రకం ఓకే
గర్ల్స్ హిట్ హిమ్ అప్.
యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఓన్లీ
I know one day my vlogs will go viral for some shit I'll do. Okay.
Snapchat filters.
Arey ammo.
I told you, see.
Hey, that is off camera, no. No, on YouTube.
నీ పేపర్ అరే పేపర్ ఉంది అనుకోవాలి నీ దగ్గర బ్యాగ్ లో పేపర్ ఉందా
ఉంది.
No. अच्छा
इसका बैग में
अच्छा मेरे में वो जिम बैग है मेरा नथिंग इज देयर
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళేసి వస్తున్నారా బాలనగర్ అంటే
అక్కడ దగ్గరికి
మీ బ్యాగ్ ఎందుకు
బ్యాగ్ ల్యాప్టాప్. మీకోసం వైట్ పేపర్ అయినా
రే చూయింగ్ గా మూయడానికి వైట్ అయింది రఫ్ అయితే చిక్ అండ్ వింగ్స్ ఫ్రైస్ కార్నర్ అరే స్పైసీ ఫుడ్
అవును,
స్పైసీ ఫుడ్ ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతారా నీకు
మీకే తెలియదు.
హైదరాబాద్ లో స్పైసీ ఎవరు తింటున్నాడు బిర్యానీలు తప్ప
बिरयानी खाएंगे
చలే
చాలా.
घर जाना मुझे
మరి ఏంటి ఎక్కడికి
टू फोल्ड
ఏమంటున్నా కొంచెం spicy గా.
बोला ना मैंने
अच्छा ठीक है ए इनको
Real affair.
नो
अरे।
आई हैव स्टैंडर्ड
जतिन तो
ఈ బ్లాగ్ జతిన్ చేస్తే
that part is not there. No, I didn't start recording at that point. How many sir? How would you eat at a time?
Sleeping-
జాలెన్
sleeping చేసి పడుకోండి ఇల్లే.
గర్ల్స్ హావ్ డిఫరెంట్ టెక్నిక్ ఫర్ జాలెన్స్ నాట్ us no unless until you give I'm gonna go jail bro for sure
Start hanging out with me. It will be sooner. Pruthvi middle లో రారా యాక్టింగ్ అయిపోయింది సరే
ఏంటి
మధ్యలో
ఎందుకన్నా joke.
చాలంగి
तू बोल
ఇదేంటి కాలు కూడా పట్టదు.
रुक रुक मैं बैग पीछे रख दे बैग
పడుకోండి ఇంకా ఇంకొంచెం వెనక్కి వస్తుందా
हाँ?
ఇంకొంచెం వెనక్కి వస్తా పడుకోండి రిషి.
అరే వాడు ఇంకా చేశాడు రా
మరి అదే అంటున్నా ఇద్దరికి.
నేను డ్రైవ్ చేస్తున్నా
వన్ డ్రైవింగ్ no 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 bro we went Sunday only that day we are I asked you know are you gonna
Egg
come
dosa.
for egg dosa was good not denying food is good but I'm not paying 170 rupees for egg dosa unless
fuck
until
no.
it's not unless until if it's fancy restaurant I can't help not for a drive-in
శ్రీరామ టిఫిన్స్ 50 రూపీస్.
quality also 50 rupees
ఏ ఘీ ఎగ్ దోసా ఇస్ గుడ్ రా
ఘీ కారం.
ఘీ కారం
abhi ratio
any other place if you know Ferranos if you want to try you can
where then
Film Nagar
jayenge it's good
yeah it is good
స్పైసీ ఫుడ్.
I don't see excitement
టర్మ్స్
in
అండ్
it
కండిషన్స్.
no it is good but I only tried desserts over there
కనీసం సూప్ ఉన్నా చాలు.
burgers ఉంటది pizzas ఉంటది
నానేస్ రా సూప్ ఉంటుంది వెజ్
ఈట్ ఎంజాయ్ బెస్ట్.
అక్కడ సూప్ ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతుంది
ओ ईटन जाएगा रेगुलर कस्टमर है तेरे को क्या पता
ఓకే నైస్.
నేను బిగ్ బైట్
నేను shawarma hut
you eat regularly or sure
I used at one point I used to do gym come down eat gym
Same
come down.
here, same.
Because that shawarma thing was right no not beside sorry exactly it's the same building no not same building little
yeah
that
just,
Nikhil hospital ka
yeah,
building
just stop
बाजू में ही
10 steps
డ్రై ఫ్రూట్ హౌస్.
so I used to come
हमारे
I used to go by walk okay I used to come outside I have to take right to go my home I used to smell that crazy good masala to he left
say
I'll eat what first I'll eat rumali no first I'll eat kubus like okay enough I'll eat rumali then I'll go home since my mom is gonna abuse me since I ate out I'll eat 4 chapatis with curry I was like I became fat at one point
how many shawarmas you can eat at one
2
time? That's it max matlab
in a day or in a session like
in a session matlab your dinner full
2
that's it after that you ate 4 rotis no also If you
1 point, bro. Now I'm saying.
Acha.
Rishi 7.
7 shawarmas.
No, my ass is saying 7. I can eat 4 right now.
మిమ్మల్ని ఏం తినేస్తాడు వదలండి.
Actually, want to try the actual shawarma, not the ones in Indianized.
I don't like those.
The
I don't like the outside वो.
Have you ever ate?
Yeah.
Where?
शवाफेल में खाया हूँ.
Either
Where is it? शवाफेल. अरे अपना रत्नादीप के पास.
you ate in India only, Hyderabad only. I'm
Yeah.
talking about foreign ones. Like the
Foreign?
actual Dubai ka jo.
No. I have
Arab-
eaten Dubai style once here.
నాట్ ఇన్ దుబాయ్.
With hummus and all.
Hummus.
I don't like hummus.
But hummus is very healthy.
Yeah.
Chickpea, no?
Yeah, only chickpeas.
Hey, పృథ్వీ
చెప్పండి అన్న.
ఆడు చూడు ముందు చూడు ఒక కారు వీడే పృథ్వీ చెప్తారా మీ మెసేజ్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే
ఏంటి
ये
రప్పా రప్పా
కోసేస్తాం.
ये टेनिस ग्रुप में डाल दे तुम्हें.
मैंने ही वैसे
सच्चे
ग्रुप में
नहीं नहीं.
ఉన్నారుగా
నేను ఎక్కడ ఉన్నా
అప్- अपना
अच्छा
not-
हमारा जो है
हाँ।
डाल दो
లాస్ట్ హౌస్
हाँ ये तो गटे. अरे कितने ग्रुप है रे भाई.
भाई डिलीट कर दे सब डिलीट कर दे एक ग्रुप बना दे बस अगर इफ यू वांट टू ऐड समवन ऐड इट
हाँ.
यू मेड लाइक व्हाट 3-4 ग्रुप्स
I didn't
అయినా
make.
రెగ్యులర్ గా
Whoever-
వాడట్లే కదా.
వాడకపోతే
ఏది వాడితే పైకి వస్తుంది. ఏంటి రిషి ఏమన్నా మోస్తున్నాడు అన్ని మోస్తున్నావు రిషి
Most of
క్యారీ చేస్తున్నావు.
game carry gra.
వైభవ ఏంటి షాప్ అయింది.
Wall shop ले लो.
it's not his it's his no it's some girls he's
Someone's is promoting.
why are you
Hey, I don't know what is that trend, bro.
you don't know that Indonesian boat aura farming guy I'll show you when let me check what's my
రిషి ఫొటోస్ పెట్టుకోమంటే స్టోరీ లేదంటాడు. ఇప్పుడేమో తీసేస్తున్నాడు వీడియో మొత్తం గంటలు గంటలు.
ఏం ఫొటోస్
అప్పుడు మురళీ సార్ పంపించిన ఫొటోస్
अरे
తీసేస్తా పంపించుకుంటారు లేదా.
ఏం ఫొటోస్ మురళీ సార్ ఏం పంపించారు
అప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు
अरे
1940s లో
అరే నా ఫోన్లో ఎప్పుడైనా 30 GB ఖాళీ ఉంటుంది ఫర్ వీడియోస్.
మళ్ళీ డౌన్లోడింగ్ లేకుంటే
ఏ వీడియోస్ అడుగు
అదే అంటున్నా.
తూని అమ్మా.
ఏ రిషి
ఈ వీడియోస్ కోసం I move everything to my SSD right now.
SSD the memory card. It's still
External.
going SSD not hard disk
Hard SSD is hard as what you are thinking is
SD card yeah.
SSD is
Sorry.
hard disk का थोड़ा upgraded version.
They have this no where you can put
That is called SD card. SSD.
Achha.
Yeah.
but with 1 TB memory
Yeah. I have 1 TB memory. It has filled with 6.
so you're recording this the yesterday's one
Yeah. All the videos are there in my SD card.
no you have to upload yesterday's one and
Yeah.
today's you later on
Yeah. I'll upload it today itself.
Hi.
Today or maximum tomorrow. Anyways, nothing I have to do. I'll just club them together, export them.
day 1 day 2
అంటే
I already.
good morning guys what's up kaise ho ela unnaru
Yesterday's one 8th video, and this is 9th video.
oh that's it
Yeah.
still baby YouTuber abhi ja rahe film nagar
Yeah.
I swear I'm telling you I know
ఏంటి మనం వెళ్ళే పోతాను
మనం వెళ్ళేసరికి రెడ్ సిగ్నల్ పడుతుంది.
పడద్దు
పడిందిరా,
పడద్దు ఏంట్రా
పడద్దేంద్రా, పడింది కదరా, పడిందరా పడద్దంటే
జనాలు ఇంకా వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారుగా.
అరే మరి ఖాళీగా ఉంది కాబట్టి ముందు వరకు.
మెట్రో స్టేషన్ లో అయితే ఎవరో కాబట్టి తెగేట్ చేస్తుంది.
ఎందుకు
ఏమంటా బోరం అని. నాకు ఇలానే వస్తుంది, అప్పుడప్పుడు కళ్ళు తిరుగుతుంటాయి,
కళ్ళు తిరిగితే
నేను ఎక్కువ ఆలోచించినప్పుడు నాకు ఇలా అనిపిస్తుంది అని చెప్పి ఒక ఆంటీకి చెప్తుంటే, ఆంటీ ఏం ఆలోచిస్తున్నావు అమ్మా?
నా మొగుడ్డు
లేచిపోయాడు.
మొగుడు లేచిపోవడం ఏంద్రా, ఆఫీస్ స్ట్రెస్ అయి ఉండొచ్చు, హస్బెండ్ తో ప్రాబ్లం,
అవుతుందంట అమ్మాయి. ఇంకా బాబు
ప్లేస్మెంట్ స్ట్రెస్ ఏమో,
బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
అబ్బో అది కూడా ఉంది. My role model is what? Who? Who's that guy? Ronnie, that guy.
Ronnie Coleman.
ఇసురు కొట్టండి.
It's not, bro. He says I'm on a diet. I'm eating like
Acha, he has a lot of
Wait.
Yeah.
You know what's he saying? It's like I'm having like 9 to 12 meals a day. Fuck no, nobody can do it. Okay, you're doing it.
9
If
to
you're on
12
that
days.
strict diet,
Yeah.
bro, he's doing shisha, I mean,
Yeah.
hookah, he's drinking beer. Beer is the most fattiest thing that you can drink.
Yeah.
I'm not saying don't drink, but don't say you're on a diet and do this stuff.
I think I will start diet every day.
కదా నాకు కూడా
Bro, I have to get thin at least till I have to go for a marriage, okay? I thought of getting thin by that time.
When's that marriage?
September. first week.
nice.
In 2 months you can actually. When you start playing tennis, you need to hydrate yourself.
The thing is,
Wait, when you're doing gym or when you're playing tennis, you know I mix that pink
Lemon.
salt and lemon.
Yeah.
That helps you reduce fat like immensely fast.
Okay.
I've done that only. That is within 6 months I lost 16 kilos.
No. The thing is,
Yeah.
I can do those things without those also. The thing I will. What happened?
I bit my
Acha. The only problem is I eat later on after workouts. If I don't eat, without those things I can reduce my weight.
What?
Like अभी जो जैसा अपन कर रहे हैं ना बाहर जाके खा के
मैं भी खा रहा हूँ मैं.
but what do you go I don't
the
say
amount of sweat I lose is different.
yeah.
మీరు టెన్నిస్ ఆడితే టీ షర్ట్ తడిచిపోయింది మనవాడికి.
नहीं मेरा भी होता है but
Okay.
not as much as
Ah,
Aditya.
Bro, I
Like
change-
half of Aditya I probably I can.
I change like 6-7 shirts per session.
Okay. What?
Yeah, because I play
గేమ్
for 4-5 hours.
వస్తానే
No?
అరౌండ్ 3 or 2.
3.
Give me 3. Fuck.
Yesterday I just played for half an hour and I left. No?
అందుకు
And I fucking so many people. What the?
Arey bro.
Who's that new guy?
I don't know.
Guess what? Rishi was coaching him.
ఓ
You were telling him something, no? It like this.
సింగిల్స్
like that.
కిషోర్
అబ్బాయి కిషోర్ నై
షార్ట్ గా
కొత్తగా
కొత్తగా
స్పెక్స్
specs అబ్బాయి.
अच्छा हाँ I was just saying कि play करके not he was playing the court is here he was playing from here I was like go in the center and play no I can be a great gym instructor
Who?
రసి
Who?
రసి
I see don't go by my physique all gym instructors are fat you have seen that
They're bulk.
they are fat
Okay, if you are happy, I am happy.
అలా నేసుకొని
Chalo.
హ్యాపీగా
It's light. We need light now.
But without that, it's good, no? See, it's actually good. We have nature, right?
Fucking nature light is gone almost.
Nature, light. Nature is outside and light is outside. Nature, light. Dude, I'm asking Prithvi to get his bike from his hometown.
Huh, for point only take. I didn't know if he has or not.
He has, bro.
हाँ तो తెచ్చే కదా
Bullet he has.
ఆ తెచ్చే నా కూడా ఇవ్వరా
ఓకే రసి
మేము బ్లాగ్ చేసుకుంటాం దాంట్లో.
బెస్ట్ అరే ఐ హ్యావ్ లైక్ దట్ బిగ్ గ్యాస్
స్టాండ్
Yeah, but how does it help for motovlogging?
handheld.
పట్టుకొని అట్లే ఉండు బండి నడవదు.
బండి ఎవరు ఎడతాడు రా?
You drive.
Acha, like that.
Long drive.
Rather than they have this phone ka holder no for helmets.
But that is only helmet. सामने का दिखेगा
లేకపోతే
ना.
ఆ స్టాండ్
तो वो खरीद लेना वो 360 in
हाँ.
Instax दे. But expensive bro.
I wanna buy a GoPro.
No, my father bought this for his ad shooting and
हाँ.
everything. I'm like, this is expensive, huh?
How much?
No, I don't know. It's like 35. Let me check. Not
అప్పుడు
35.
అలేనా తెచ్చింది అదేనా
80.
చిన్న క్యామ్.
అది normal recorder.
ఓకే.
I don't know. Aliana what Aliana got.
Sorry. 59,000.
What?
సారీ
Really?
కాపీ.
Are you kidding me? Really?
See, I'm opening the website.
Fuck.
But it like 11K to 8K the quality.
11K to 8K. Oh yeah. The thing is,
But you can't upload anyways. It's gonna
no, and you know you have to. You can only edit in its own app. You can't edit in any other app.
yeah. I would.
अरे नहीं जैसे अब मैं प्रीमियर प्रो में काम करता हूँ. What all editings I do of my reels and all everything, I work on my Premiere Pro. I have subscription.
Instax 360 storage is like iCloud only.
Yeah.
So the cloud plan is $112, which is 85 rupees. 10,000 for planning only every time.
I bought no.
You can extract videos, bro. There are.
I extract videos, I know, but first you have to edit in those, like which part you want. Oh fuck. Edit which part you want.
Bro, they have Rent Insta 360 1x4. Sharepal.com 338 rupees.
Yeah.
Get that. Try no.
Yeah. I've tried.
Instax 360 8K with
renting lens.
360 degrees action cameras 55,990.
రిషి ఒక కారు ఒక క్యామ్ ఇంకేంటి రిషి బైక్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్లాన్.
Camera. I want to buy.
But I always prefer GoPro, bro.
GoPro actually. I also feel that is a great.
Convenience also. It's smaller than.
I don't find the what do you call point of 360-degree videos.
I mean, depends on your screenplay,
Yeah.
cinematography. Where is Fernando's?
Fernando's.
Sorry.
Okay.
I've been to Moonshine Project.
Yes.
It was good back in the day. It was like the Prost before Prost.
Arey, Moonshine Project. I recently. No, wait.
Sankar Villas, Tiffins and Snacks. Look at the amount of people. Bro, you can make bomb.
పునుగులు.
Mari, weather.
మరి
పునుగులు అంటే విజయవాడ రా. ఇగో చూద్దేగా వస్తుంది. Oh,
Here only.
True Black is here also?
Yeah. Can I take a U-turn and just?
Yeah,
walk like that?
go. Gusale bhai.
వచ్చేసి
Bro, next time we'll come and look at the cars. Oh, of course. Lord. Bhai, देख कैसा देख रहा बेंच में? Hi.
Bye bye guys.
బాయ్ బాయ్.
Muslima.
Kanna Muslima.
కన్నా
నేను కూడా షాకే.
కన్నా ముస్లిం ఏంది బే?
ఏంటి నేను జోక్ చేస్తాను ఎందుకు కావాలని.
అరే రికార్డ్ అవుతుందిరా.
Hey, that. नहीं that.
కన్నా ముస్లిం నయ్యే రే.
ముస్లిమే అన్నా.
ఏ నీకు చెప్పాడు పచ్చికి తెలుగు మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు కదరా.
हाँ तो.
आंध्रा मुस्लिम इधर का मुस्लिम अच्छा तेलुगु नहीं बात करता रे.
Joseph. वो Joseph Joey.
I to तेरा आया क्या है टूफोल्ड.
That looks so aesthetic place, man.
तेरा एस्थेटिक ही में
Fucking आदि level place.
ये जिम भी एस्थेटिक है रे. जा रहे अगर कल्ट का है
ये गोल्ड का था पहले, then it changed to some other. Before it was cultism only.
ఎక్కడ
అదే
82 ద జిమ్ అని చూడు. బట్
O2 రా.
O2
82 ఏ రేపు. 82
O2 అన్నాడు.
82 ఏనే కదా.
अच्छा मैं सोचा 80
O2 కూడా ఉంది ఎక్కడ.
आ जाता है गांव से.
O2 like that oxygen thing.
O2 वेरी नाइस इन लंदन रे.
नहीं हियर भी है, इधर भी है. Let's check funnel kilometer closest.
It's here only, no?
Yeah.
Close, bro. See. Where is it? See.
Fuck. Some new place is coming there.
New place, ah.
New cafe or some shit like that.
It's actually a good place, but it's running very good. I don't know why they don't know.
Or maybe they are renovating it.
They'll put a board if it's renovating.
Point.
పారిపోద్దండి మేము మళ్ళీ వస్తాం.
पहला तू तुझा तू
अरे that fucking
तुझा तू तीजा तू चौदा तू. चल
that reel bro. चल. Now I feel like sleepy bro.
पहला तू तुझा तू तीजा तू.
రిషి కనపడట్లేదే.
ये क्या किसको देख रहे हैं?
మీ ఫోన్ లో చూస్తున్నాడు.
अबे मैं तो सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम देख रहा हूँ बस.
वो इंस्टाग्राम में देख रहा हूँ.
ఎగిరి చూస్తున్నాడు.
TFI हो क्या? अच्छा क्या सोच
ITF
अच्छा,
मेरा एंट्री देख रहा हूँ.
किधर नेक्स्ट?
अभी सिंगापुर बाली वो सब एंट्री भेजा एक ही डेट्स पे है. जो भी पहला आएगा एक्सेप्ट.
Go Bali, it's cheap.
Yeah, but after get entry no.
But it's cheap, no.
But I want to go to Singapore.
Yeah, what buildings you'll see, bro. Go experience
Bro,
nature.
Bali, it's very humid there as of now. I want to go to a normal aesthetic place.
Ass place.
I don't understand why they took this off. Of course, they say traffic, but traffic is here also. No?
No, actually, this is very free flowing now. But point only.
What free flowing? Once you get down on the bridge, there's traffic. From there, before the.
I don't understand. Till here, why there is no traffic?
అక్కడేం కూడా
How does it the traffic accommodate?
Everybody thinks flyovers help you to reduce the traffic.
No.
Flyovers are just to
Increase-
enroute you to a different direction to change the direction of the traffic.
No. I feel more flyovers, but like the short flyovers.
I'm
Not
telling
like
you, if there are
not like
more flyovers, the traffic will get increased.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying the short flyovers are worse.
First of all, keep enough jobs. Give enough jobs. I mean, like, I sometimes support those Bangalore people, bro.
What?
Like, why do they get pissed off so badly? Because everyone from North India are coming. Bro, there's a limit to anything. If see, if I'm from Hyderabad, if entire Hyderabad people go to Mumbai, it's already crowded. It's even more crowded. It'll be even more crowded.
Delhi.
Of course, they'll feel bad that the city is going into worse condition. Hyderabad is going like that. I'm not surprised that there's a revolution going on. Of course, I understand the language.
In Hyderabad also.
No, Hyderabad, nothing, bro. Hyderabad, in fact, if someone comes from Karnataka, they try to speak in Kannada, and there's a language barrier that they don't know Hindi or English, somehow will help them, bro.
Yeah.
That is the good thing with Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh.
ఇక్కడ
Go to this place, bro. Go to this place. No.
I've been there. I've been no Aidu. Aidulo Prithvi. పునుగుల సూపా ఇది ఉంటుందిరా.
What?
Amazing, bro.
Punuguru soup.
Mad stuff. Not kidding also. It's a 5 states ఏమున్నారు 5. Oh, South Indian states.
Aura, negative aura.
All of our.
Lola.
Terrasso, there's one more.
Yeah.
The Indian social bar. There's a thing called Telugu kitchen, Telugu medium, sorry.
తెలుగు మీడియం.
Telangana spice kitchen.
अबे उधर है.
अच्छा.
वो हो गया चॉपस्टिक के जैसा गांव का
I've
restaurant.
never been there.
It's good. I think it's still
I
going.
ordered once. It was damn expensive and
You've been to Spicy Venue? Bro, it is amazing taste.
spicy
You-
venue.
The one which near right beside Antera.
I've उसका apricot delight is so.
I don't like apricot.
I
hate
love-
apricot.
I hate apricots. I love that shit.
It's like I don't know. I want to say something R-rated.
बोल ले.
Sorry. I'm a children's YouTube only.
साले इतना देर से गाली दे रहा और फिर R-rated shit I can't say कहते.
ఎవరో
Tell
ట్రాఫిక్
me.
ఫ్లోటింగ్ ఉందన్న.
కింద ఎప్పుడు ట్రాఫిక్ లేదు అనుకుంటే
अरे
पीछे.
ऊपर से जाता क्या तेरे? Fine.
ऊपर भी ट्रैफिक रहेगा यार. आफ्टर द ब्रिज नो इट्स फुल ट्रैफिक.
I know.
Hyderabad is fucked up. That is the reason I want to settle in Vizag. Vizag is not going to be like that. Yes, there are IT companies that are going to come, but nobody is going to come to Vizag.
Andhra people won't let. People companies won't go to Vizag.
It will go because of whatever the situation is. But Hyderabad is like
Hyderabad-
geographically it's good, bro. Like there's
Hyderabad-
place to extend the city.
Yeah.
Bangalore, it's not like that.
Bangalore has already extended a lot.
I'll tell you something. This technically has become a main road,
Yeah.
but the main actual road in Bangalore is like this. For us, the main roads are like much more bigger.
No, our main roads are shorter. Except for like ORR shit and our main
Have
road.
you been to Bangalore? You know how narrow their roads are.
Yeah, I know.
That is the reason for more traffic. Of course, more people. That is different.
Speak Kannada.
Kannada. Oh shit. My phone.
బయట
This is the fourth time you have dropped it. Okay. I'll keep a counter there. Okay.
1 2
One, two.
find my phone.
ఎక్కడైనా దుబ్బేసి.
पहला तू
आदित्य चलाएगा क्या? I'll sleep off. Nadpura place.
No.
ఎందుకురా? పిచ్చి ముండా అని. పిచ్చి మంచి అరే
रुक रे साले.
2.2
नहीं what is पिच्ची मुर्ची नहीं मुठी अरे पढ़ने तो दे रे
अबे रुक यार. Don't start. It is our personal group.
हाँ ठीक है
कुछ भी नहीं.
आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग पिच्ची मुर्ची क्या था मुद्दी
ముదిరింది.
पिच्ची मुदरिंदा. हाँ पिच्ची मुदरिंदी मतलब पागल हो गया वो.
अच्छा
ज्यादा पागल हो गया.
हार्ट कप इज लॉस्ट इज
और no, it's like lot of like they're letting people who smoke inside also. You understand what I mean?
The first time I went to Heart Cup, the only time I went to Heart Cup was for a comedy night show.
I went to Heart Cup for Sangeet, some cocktail party.
Achha.
Cocktail, not
हाँ.
Sangeet, cocktail party.
I was like,
That was my relatives, but still cocktail party in Heart Cup is like weird as fuck. I'll probably put in daily rituals and get some alcohol because the place looks good for a cocktail party. Heart Cup where, bro?
Arey, but these guys are expensive, man.
You wanted to go here, no?
Carafa, no?
Some place K to you said, no?
Katha.
Katha, sorry. Pehla tu. All angles I know.
Oh! Send the profile alpha. I'll ask, can I see all your angles? 'Cause, 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 'cause,
That was like unintentional, bro.
हाँ तो I will make it intentional.
She's toxic as fuck. Absolutely toxic. See. Achhi.
I am thinking, get ready with me. Switch up.
I don't have to have seen.
Patience with me. Try this virus.
Wait, did you see
Must have been
Yeah.
from Hyderabad.
front?
Yeah.
I was very
Oh.
excited. because
I thought you were
was
saying back
everything
shots. I was like,
not
only
exciting like that.
back you saw.
क्या करे? खुदा सब दिखा रहा पर नहीं हो रहा.
Fucker, if you want a girl right now to sleep with, you will get it. Right?
I don't want to mess with anyone from here.
Huh?
Nothing.
Right now, how's things with your girl, bro?
Oh me?
Yeah.
Nothing. Weird as fuck. I've stopped asking to meet and all this stuff. I'm just like we're sending reels to each other.
What?
I've lost interest. Like I felt little disrespectful, and I don't deal with that bullshit. I'll put most of the effort, okay, but I need to see something, some effort. बेंचो गाली आता हूँ.
अबे लौड़ी चलना.
I don't say all that.
नहीं इसको.
इसको. Hey लौड़ी.
भाई
पापा की परी.
भाई इधर से टर्न लिए, ठीक है?
Bro, it's called helicopter turning. They're helicopter pilots. What's up, bro? Bro, I have to book bus ticket. Fuck.
भाई buy a villa over here, no? वे बेंचोद.
गाली दिया. अजी गाली दे रहा कोई.
I buy a villa here, no? Or then,
It's not villa. It's independent house.
oh whatever.
Here, Why would I do friendship with you if I am able to afford a house here? Harsh.
अंतेले one day तेरे मुंह पे घर फेंक के मारेगा मैं.
मार लो.
I'll throw papers. I can't throw whole house.
Yeah, I'll take off that papers. What's there in there? I'll take off those papers. What will you do now? क्या कर लेगा?
अरे तो फेंक के मारेगा तो वही मतलब है ना, तेरा घर हुआ वो.
ठीक है. I don't want to take these houses. It's going to be crammed up.
वैसा क्या?
Isaac. You've been here, Tatwa, but it's vegetarian only. And they
Tatwa,
are amazing, but it's super expensive. I took my parents here because they eat vegetarian.
They're
Then-
vegetarians?
No, they stopped eating. My dad stopped eating when he was young. My mom stopped eating like 15 years because of some
15
digestion.
years
15, 20, I'm not sure. So, because of some digestion issues. So, I took them here. Since it's veg, it's good food, I'm not denying it.
Yeah.
Once the bill came out, I was like, we would have gone for other 2 weekends out. Yeah. U-turn, bro.
U-turn?
Yeah.
वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक रहता
हाँ
है.
अच्छा चलो सही बात. तो सोचा कि फिर से ग्रिल अफेयर लेके जा रहे हैं. सुनिए
इसको होना ना स्पाइसी फूड लेके जाएंगे इसको.
ग्रिल अफेयर इज नॉट स्पाइसी एट ऑल.
हाँ, एट की डाल के डाल.
కొంచెం వాటర్ కూడా సరిపోదు.
Fifth time.
Ancient stone flames BBQ.
Oh my god. McDonald. Nah.
All make. Oh सुनिए Woo! देवदास.
Acha, I was today. I was just checking. I was bored of my Hinge.
You have Hinge.
Yeah.
Is anyone liking you?
No.
Yeah. Someone must be, no?
I like.
Not you, Ray. You like everyone. I'm talking
No, no,
about the
no, no.
girl.
Like,
But Hinge is the most fucked up. It's worse than Mumble.
Nah.
Hinge is only for you having flings time pass.
No.
There's no way dating apps are serious.
हाँ डेट. अरे माँ के लौड़े.
carrying heavy stuff, of course he can't go.
अरे तो ठीक है रे भाई, लेफ्ट में चलाना, राइट में
लेफ्ट में ही है रे,
अरे
तू लेफ्ट में आ गया यार,
middle-
तू राइट को जाना है.
मिडिल लेन में था रे. देख फिर से मिडिल लेन में आया.
जाने दो यार, बेचारा डेली वर्कर है.
हाँ तो I was on Hinge. I was bored of my Hinge. So हैदराबाद में first I went 40 up plus.
लेंस कार्ड पासवर्ड है, OTP फेक.
हाँ आजकल. हाँ तो I went to हैदराबाद. 40 plus people. Let's see who are there. No one was there.
पार्टी या
हाँ. Then I
What 40?
age.
Seriously?
Yeah, there was no one there.
Uncles,
Aunties.
aunties.
Fucking hell! Why would I see uncles?
Who knows?
Then I went to Bangalore.
ఇంకోసారా
లేదు పక్కన పెట్టా.
There were a lot of 40 years, and few were good looking as fuck, bro.
Who?
Aunties, 40 years.
అరే వీడియో అన్ని యూట్యూబ్ లో పెడతాడు రా, మనం ఎక్స్పోజ్ అయిపోతావు. చమ్కీలా ద కాక్టైల్ హౌస్.
మీరు క్లారిటీ
అరే కృష్ణ గారి బట్టలు కొట్టి ఏంద్రా ప్రతిరోజు క్లోజ్ చేసి ఉంటది. అమావాస కాదురా, పోనీ క్లోజ్ అయిపోయింది పర్మనెంట్ కంటే అమావాస ఓపెన్ ఉండదు రా. అమావాస పౌర్ణమి మాకి దీనమ్మ भाई चलेंगे पिकल.
अरे मैं वही बोल रहा. मार्च होते तुम्हें पैडल चलना यार.
पैदल जाएंगे ये रेनी सीजन के बाद. थोड़ा ओपन है ना पैडल
ओपन है.
हाँ
I thought closed रहता है पैडल.
अच्छा. The glasses are there but roof like top it's like open.
I hate this car, bro. I sat in this.
B6 is much better than XEV90. No, look, at least in looks wise. It's a shit,
Looks wise.
Shit.
I sat.
I thought of getting, bro. Like electric, we want to take. No, replace that Skoda.
See, you could go for it, but arey,
It doesn't work.
No, I don't know about that. Seating inside, exactly. My upper vision was blocked. My vision
You must be tall for the car. But V6, XEV90, you must be tall, good enough.
XEV9 also same issue.
Seating adjustment?
Full back, full recline down.
Niche, you
Yeah.
press it down. I think for you it might be.
See, because my Bakchodi, me and my friend went off to Mahindra showroom for test drives. And this was
अभी जाएंगे ना BMW जाएंगे
2-3 days ago. Okay. Anyways, I am planning to buy a car.
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah. So I was like Scorpion देखने जाएंगे. Scorpion and Thor Rocks. But when we went,
Rocks are. This is better. This Thar is better than the Rocks version.
4-door, bro. 3-door, I don't find the.
Bro, for a 4-door car, it looks hideous. It's not great.
एक
क्या?
बाकी लोग को भी लेके जाना पड़ता है.
क्या तेरा बावली लोग
40
मतलब
हाँ.
हिंज वाले
मो
हिंज बावली फ्रेंड्स ये काफी है रे फ्रेंड्स को अभी व्लॉगिंग कर रहे हैं हम
अरे
ఇంకా నువ్వు అందరం తీసుకెళ్ళంటే ఒక ట్రక్ లారీ
అసలు టార్ రాక్స్ లో వ్లాగింగ్ ఎట్లుంటది తెలుసా భాయ్
उधर तो इधर से करता हूँ मैं. वो डैश कैम रहता ना, इंटरनल डैश कैम.
अच्छा वो अरे कुछ देखा रे मैं if you don't have this holder and then they put it here like this they put it here and they take rubber bands from here
and you can just put it like
yeah
this.
I wanted to do it if I don't buy any holder
Yeah.
Until then
You
I'm
can
going
just-
for a long drive.
You can buy this holder, put it on that glass.
I want a side view.
I'll show you after the vlog. कैसे करना.
Jamun. I thought it's some just like sari shop, right?
Actually, no.
Later on I got to know it's a restaurant. Really.
అవునా
I thought it was something like fashion store or something.
You're not wrong also. There's a Harley Davidson showroom, new one.
Where?
Here only.
When did it open?
Long man. Like
I thought Harley Davidson left
Left,
India.
but it's back. See,
Where the fuck is it?
it's written there.
Oh.
Show.
Yeah.
तब आराम से
अरे
करना।
मेरे हाइट के लिए नहीं दिखा था. I have to bend it down.
You bend down for someone else.
Bend down. I'll take her.
అంతా 18+ కంటెంట్
Plus करना. नन्नु involve చేస్తాడు.
Bang के लौड़े.
ఫోకస్ గా పడతావు.
Scorpion because Scorpion was rugged cargo.
You go from left here, bro.
I know. Scorpion was so sexy cargo. I liked it.
I liked it, bro. I wanted it. I was like, Scorpio. It has a reputation. I was like, yeah, but mileage, bro. That is a problem. You don't care about mileage, but
No, I care. I care about mileage.
You take electric only, no?
No, not
Safari है, हाँ,
No,
Harrier
not-
EV.
I don't want electric because I want to go on trips.
Go. It's just that you need to find electric stations. Simple.
Hey, I would rather get can they seated by petrol pumps than find electric stations. Bro, electric stations are
No, it's
gamble,
easy to.
and you have to fucking stay there for how many hours for it to charge?
Yeah, but you'll get more range, no?
Huh?
Range will be higher, no?
Still, bro, it will not be as high. B6.
You'll save money. Range will be higher. B6, I'm not sure about the Mahindra. And
B6 claims to be 600 kilometers.
see, if they're claiming 600, come down to 460, 480. Simple. There's no way any car is going to.
600 मतलब इधर से बैंगलोर.
Single charge. No way.
हाँ.
And nobody's going to go until the last charge.
Point
The one point they have to know.
So
there are fast charges also, no, bro. It's
Yeah.
like it's easy now for highways. People are going in electric. I've seen so many electric cars.
But I still don't want. I want to go for diesel because sorry.
Diesel, in 2-3 years, diesel will be only gone. What diesel will you take? Go
Diesel?
take petrol. You'll get refined engine. The car will last longer. Yes,
This-
petrol is little higher. I mean, like,
Bro, you will not get mileage. You'll get like 6-7 mileage.
bro, diesel is bad. Very bad. The engine is rough.
Yeah, that is why I want it. No. The point is,
ఏది వరస్ట్ అదే కాదు మనకి.
I don't know. The point is, it is for rough and tough use.
So,
I will use it like that.
if you want to use it like that,
Yeah.
then why do you care about mileage? Simple.
I don't want. हाँ so that is
फंस
what
गया भाई, फंस गया.
that is why diesel में जो भी माइलेज मिलेगा I'm good with it.
पेट्रोल है ना, उसमें क्या है?
Nah, bro.
सुनिया रहता.
If there is a V12 engine, then I'll take a क्या बोलते हैं V12 8-liter engine, then I'll take a petrol car. అర్థమైందా వర్ధన్?
అర్థమైంది. सुनिया रहता.
మూవీ సాంగ్లు లేవే.
क्या?
బేబీ అంట మూవీ కొత్తపల్లిలో ఒకడు.
क्या हुआ?
मैं देख रहा हूँ कोई रिप्लाई का मैसेज किया क्या. ठीक है, 16 से 7 चले जाना. सोनू के साथ से I got them though. What did she got them रे? क्या तुम्हें मैसेज करती रहती है? अरे और कोई कोर्ट नहीं है रे आसपास में.
क्या टेनिस के लिए?
हाँ,
अभी?
अभी नहीं.
क्यों?
अरे the game ke codes are so bad, bro.
Yeah, but you have players to play, no? What is the
हाँ.
point if you don't have anyone to? I feel like आसपास में वही बेस्ट है. आराम से जा सकते हो, आ सकते हो.
And the thing is, the codes are so terrible.
Bro, it's worst in other places. You don't understand.
Okay.
And there are no courts also in the city.
అన్ని బయట ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇప్పుడు అన్ని
Everything is
మదపూర్లో
outside.
చెప్పేసారు
Bro, I'm telling you, chill, go
సికింద్రాబాదే
there,
కదా
play.
నెక్స్ట్ అంటే
You just tell Murali sir that lots of people are coming.
Rolling.
వీళ్ళు ఎవరు చెప్పరు
Yeah, but all these guys come for somewhere, like they stop in between.
And
కాదన్నా.
still, bro,
ఇంకేస్ ఏదైనా చెప్పమంటే ఎవరు చెప్పరు
చెప్పండి, మీరు చెప్పండి.
నేను చెప్తాను కదా
చెప్పు.
నేను చెప్పాక నేనే ఇంక అన్నిటికీ
मैं भी बोलता हूँ कभी कभी मुरली सर को.
बोल दे.
Nobody is taking action over it.
నేను
Bro,
ఒక్కడినే
the
చెప్తే నాకే problem అంటారు.
balls are bouncing so unpredictable, bro. Once high, once low. Balls are
Bro,
not good.
Indian clay courts are like that. Indian clay courts are mostly like
గేమ్
that.
ఒకటి ఇంకా వరస్ట్
Indian clays are not glaze actually.
They're sand.
Yeah. Is there actual clay courts in India? Matlab, there must be somewhere they use actual clay. Ardhan, तेरे से ही पूछ रहा हूँ.
हाँ, sorry, कुछ.
I was like, is there places in Hyderabad they use actual clay?
Sir, nowhere in India.
మాక్సిమం టోర్నమెంట్స్కి వెళ్ళిందంతా సింథటికే కదా
The tennis has become hard courts. Bro, actual clay is not available here. I can guarantee you that.
Nowhere in India also.
Nowhere in India.
मतलब कुछ लोग होंगे ना elitist.
No.
Like
Everyone's prefer every all the big academies have hard courts.
Okay.
So
జూబ్లీస్ రెండు హార్డే కదా రెండో మూడో
ఇది క్లబ్ 4 హార్డ్.
అవునా
Jubilee Hills Club. Which one? FNCC.
जुबली हिल्स क्लब అంటే FNCC
ఇక్కడ,
ये पीछे है ना जुबली हिल्स क्लब JHIC.
అక్కడ హార్డ్ కోటా క్లియా
ఏది చెప్పాను కదా హార్డ్ కోట్ అని 4.
మళ్ళీ మెట్రో నుండి క్లే కోట కనపడుతుంది
నీ పిచ్చి పువ్వు ఆ జమానా ముందు నుంచి హార్డ్ కొట్టేరా వాళ్ళు క్లే కోట్ పెట్టేటట్టుంటే ఫుల్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ రా. హార్డ్ కోట్ ఏముంది, వర్షం పడి తుడిసేయడమేగా. ఎవరు వచ్చిందిరా, నీట్ అని చేయి,
వైపర్ ఎత్తి ఎత్తాడు
నీట్ అని చేయరా. తిను
అంబులెన్స్ రెడీ చేసుకోండి
ఎందుకు
నంద్యాల వరకు బుక్ చేయండి వెళ్ళిపోతా
अरे वेडनेसडे ना
Thursday.
भाई वेडनेसडे के ना ऑफर वेडनेसडे को एक 1+1 ऑफर है, ठीक है.
चिकन
एक दिन मैं और ये गया
किधर?
1+1 ऑफर के लिए
Eat and joy.
Burger. तो गया ऑर्डर किया, तब पता चला वो क्यों 1+1 ऑफर दे रहा वो.
क्यों?
इतना घटिया था वो, शायद वो 2 दिन 3 दिन का जो भी बचा है ना, यहाँ से लेफ्ट ले ले, इसको
हाँ।
ड्रॉप कर ले.
हाँ, तू वहाँ से वॉकिंग चल रहा.
तू मैं
సైడ్ వెళ్ళి పరిచయం నాకు రోడ్ మీద డ్రాప్ చేసి
आगे से लेफ्ट ले.
నాకు టైం వస్తా నేను చెప్తాను
बाय पृथ्वी.
బాయ్ అన్న
ए लेफ्ट रे,
आगे से लेफ्ट ले.
ए यहाँ से हॉस्टल आ जाएगा उसका.
అక్కడ నుంచి
अरे इधर से भी आता ना रे.
अबे उधर फिर से इस तरफ आना, अगर स्ट्रेट जाके यहाँ राइट ले लो तो राइट साइड पे हॉस्टल रहता ना.
ये वो
Okay,
है
बंद.
ना.
इधर अबे ये
టర్న్కే ఇబ్బంది అయింది
పిచ్చి
నువ్వురా పిచ్చిపోగా ఏమి అర్థం కాదు. రూట్స్ తెలీదు. శ్రీనగర్ కాలనీ ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఉన్నావు?
ర్యాప్
నేను ఉన్నదే లాస్ట్ డిసెంబర్ కి 4 ఏళ్ళు ఇది.
ఓన్లీ 4 years.
ఇది వరకు
బిఫోర్ ఐ యూజ్డ్ టు స్టే ఇన్ మోతీనగర్.
స్టిల్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ నో.
బాయ్ రసి బాయ్ అన్న
బాయ్ నంద్యాల పృథ్వీరెడ్డి.
ఓకే అండి
బాయ్ బాయ్. రేపు టెన్నిస్
బొక్క ఉంటది.
ఉంటే
3 days there is full rain alert. I'll nicely sleep. Arey fuck, I have to work today.
ఓకే.
I slept in the morning. I was like too tired to work. I have to work now.
సునియా
वही गाना मालूम.
I don't know the rest of the lyrics.
सुनिया
Is
सुनिया
it-
राता से जाता है.
I mean, I just heard it on Instagram. That's it. It's Sunya Sunya.
Play that song.
I don't know what's it called. If I search Sunya Sunya.
Search सुनिया सुनिया राता.
Sunya Sunya Rata. Sunya Sunya. Hi. It's called Sunya Sunya.
हाँ.
I don't know, when did I play this?
Mixing in the house.
ਉਹ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਤੇ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਜਦ ਵੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਭਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਿਲ ਜੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਦਿਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਭੁੱਲੇ ਨਾ ਕਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ
Menu Kulla Tenu.
ਉਹ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਸੁਣਿਆ
This part, bro. This part I was talking about. Wait, don't go. Wait.
ਉਹ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਤੇ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ
लड़की है क्या?
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਭਾਂ ਤੇ
अरे ये Chinese auntie. Yeah.
ਸਾਰੇ ਦਿਨ ਦੀਆਂ
You know,
ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ
I'm not being racist. There's a hair salon shop called Meraki.
हाँ.
If you go there,
हाँ.
those are the actual Chinese people who do them.
Oh.
And apparently the guy's grandfather or great grandfather, when Kolkata was the capital of India, that time they shifted some revolution, I don't know. So they
Bro,
said
that was before independence.
independence, yeah. So they shifted here. I thought they're from Manipur and all because I went there, bro, right after coming from China. Right after coming from China, I went to there only. Then it's like I went to China because I got sunburnt and everything. So this is what this thing. I was like, I'm from China. I didn't believe it. You know, he showed photos and all that stuff. Like then that time only,
Oh.
she put tan pack on me. Yeah.
ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਭੁੱਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਭਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਿਲ ਉਹ ਸੁਣੀਆਂ ਸੁਣੀਆਂ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਤੇ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਜਦ ਵੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਭਾਂ
This is a love song.
Oh, it's a breakup song.
Chalo, bye guys. We'll talk.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe guys.